Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can get VLC on a Samsung Smart TV. So let's get started. The first thing you should know is that you can't install VLC directly on Samsung Smart TVs. That's because Samsung TVs use Tizen OS and VLC doesn't have an official app available in the Samsung App Store. As a result, you won't find it when searching on your TV. The easiest alternative is to use the built-in media player. Simply copy your video files onto a USB flash drive, plug it onto your Samsung TV, open the source menu, select the USB device, and play your videos using the default player. It supports popular formats like MP4, MKV, AVI, and even subtitle files. So in most cases, you won't need any additional apps. Another option is to install VLC on your phone or computer instead, then enable screen mirroring on your Samsung TV or connect your PC with an HDMI cable. Play your videos in VLC and they'll appear on your TV screen. You can also stream from VLC on your computer by opening Media, selecting Stream, and sharing the video over your local network. Then access that stream from your TV using a compatible browser or media player. This method works, but it's a little more advanced and takes extra setup. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.